potential to dominate the media.
And if you didn't catch that, I have a little guy in the corner of my Wix site.
Welcome to Nader Najad Media. Give us a call today and let's unlock your unique potential to dominate the media.
This is a Wix site. This is what a Wix site can do when you have literally no web development experience. You can create a website, optimize it, showcase your services, have links, have hundreds of pages, embed videos.
Today, 94% of consumers and business
Have call to actions on your page that redirect to other parts of the page to get people to contact you. See, this is an example of a site. This is my experience with Wix. My name's Nader Najad, and I'm running my marketing agency off of the Wix platform when every single other marketing agency in the area is using things like WordPress and they hire developers. I started when I was young, and I wanted to use Wix as a platform, and I told myself, if I'm going to go with Wix, I'm going to get as much leverage out of Wix as I possibly can. I'm going to make this site look stellar so that if somebody wanted to recreate it without a budget of thousands and thousands of dollars, they would have a massively hard time. I'm going to put moving videos. I'm going to put, embed videos. I'm going to put services that are animated. I'm going to put dozens of pages on the site. I'm going to explain who I am. I'm going to have testimonials. I'm going to have, strips, as we call it here, and fun facts and the best contact form. And I'm even going to link myself on the map and, not only my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, but I'm going to link a Pinterest and a Yelp and, a LinkedIn and a Google Plus. And I'm going to have a chat. So whenever somebody lands on my site, it's going to say, you have a visitor from this location, and I can chat with them instantly. And that's what I did. And I've been using Wix now for around 3 years, just for this site alone. 2 years to be exact, or going on 3 years. And I'm bringing in clients all the time, people from China, people from other countries. So whoever says Wix SEO doesn't work, that's not true. And honestly, people are spending more time on my site, and Google sees that because it's a beautiful site. And this is just an example of so many of the websites I'm creating, but this is probably the example of the best one, the most successful one for myself that I have created that is working really well. And I want to help you design it the way you want. You may not like this design. I love this design, but you may not like this design. We're going to help you create the design that you love. We're going to help you integrate a blog. So my experience runs deep with a Wix platform because I use it. I depend on it for my livelihood. And whether you're doing that or you just want to start a website for fun or a hobby or a blog, I can help you out. And you can integrate apps like that and do things that people can't do on other platforms. So it's going to be an amazing experience, and I can't wait to show you everything I know. So let's get on to the practical stuff. Just a quick warning, it's going to start very simple. We're going to start with, editing text, editing paragraphs, doing simple stuff. That doesn't mean the whole course is going to be simple. If you find at any time something is too simple for you, or you'd like me to go deeper, or you may get to the end of the course and you may say, hey, I was looking for more advanced stuff. Tell me what you would like, and within 24 to 48 hours, I will go in and I will help you. I'm passionate about this stuff, so I expect the same level of passion and commitment from you, and let's do this thing. I can't wait.